I welcome you all to the session 3 of Quantitative Techniques to Kwempu University 6th semester BCom. Unit 1 Games and Strategies. Learning objectives of this chapter are like this. This session outcome is to know the different terminologies used in game theory. Basic terminologies used in game theory are strategy, two types of strategy, pure strategy and mixed strategy, payoff matrix, maximum principle, minimax principle, saddle point and value of the game. Strategy. The course of action taken by the business or player is called strategy. So, the action what the player is going to, what the decision or the act what the player is going to do in playing the game is called as strategy. So, the course of action taken by the business or player is called strategy. There are two types of strategies, pure strategy and mixed strategy. Pure strategy, the player will select only one strategy and ignores the remaining strategy, but the sum will be 1. Mixed strategy, the player follows more than one strategies and the sum of all the strategies will be 1. What is pure strategy? Among the options available, if a player is going to select only one strategy or one technique to win the game or one technique in playing the game is called as pure strategy. Mixed strategy, if the player is going to use more than one strategies, is called as mixed strategies. This next one is payoff matrix. Payoff matrix is the table what we can see here. So this is payoff matrix. The amount or the number which is mentioned here is the outcome of the game. So the output or the outcome of a game is called as the payoff. The matrix or the table arrangement or mathematical arrangement of this outcome is called as matrix. So payoff matrix is the data what we are going to get to solve the problem. So if outcome is positive, it means gain to player A and loss to player B. And if the outcome is negative, loss to player A and gain to player B. It's like that. So here we are going to play the game on behalf of player A only here. If we find the positive outcome, see 20, 17, 60, 30, 25 are the numbers which have the positive. And these are the gain to player A and loss to player B. So vice versa. If we find the negative value or output in this matrix, it is loss to player A and gain to player B. Maximum and minimax principle. Maximum principle is, this principle maximizes the minimum guaranteed gain of player A. Selecting maximum outcome out of the minimum is called as maximum principle. So the name itself tells. It is maximum of minimum. So maximum outcome of minimum which is available, it is going to be, this principle is there for player A. So minimax principle, this principle minimizes the maximum loss of the player B, selecting minimum outcome out of maximum is minimax principle. So this principle is followed for player B. So here maximum value of minimum will be selected. Minimum value of maximum output will be selected. Saddle point. It is the value or the point at which the maximum value is equal to the minimax value. The point of equilibrium is called saddle point. So, when maximum value is equal to minimax value, that is called as saddle point. That output is called as saddle point. So, when the value of maximum and minimax is same, then it is having saddle point. Then it also can be called as pure strategy problem. So, okay, value of the game. If the game has a saddle point, then the value of the cell at the saddle point is called as the value of the game. So each and every problem will have its own output. That value of the finding the value of the game is a work what we are going to do, or the solution what we are going to find out in this problem, or then in this chapter, theory of game. So here, finding the value of the game when the problem has a saddle point, that is when the maximum value is equal to minimax value, at that time saddle point will be the value of the game. If the game has no saddle point, then the value of the game must be calculated using the formula. So when there is a saddle point, that is pure strategy problem. When there is no saddle point in the problem, so then it is mixed strategy problem, where we have to use formulas for calculating the value of the game. So these are the references, Quantitative Techniques by Andy Ora and P.C. Stulsian and Vishal Pandey. Thank you.